I love her testimony. You'll hear all about her journey with the Blueprint program. And I just love this because it fits such a need with her and her family and the time that she had to spend with it. Watch now.
Hey y'all, my name is Erica Walker, and back in December, whenever I was looking for a work from home position or something that I could do from home to work around my family, I stumbled across Michelle's live and was intrigued by the six figure blueprint. So, whenever I saw her success and I started seeing every day the successes that she was having, I was like, oh my gosh, I can do this. Or I can't do this, but I can do this. So I purchased the blueprint, and I'm going to tell you what I love so much about this blueprint is it gives you step by step exactly how to be successful. And what's not in that blueprint, it's in our online community. Our online community is second to none. So this training is one of the top-notch trainings I think that is out there. I took other trainings before this program, and it was nothing compared to this.
Wasn't that so good? She learned so many skills, and so have I. My skills with the six-figure blueprint have increased so much. It's amazing what having a blueprint to step you through every part of the process can do. If you'd like more information about the six-figure blueprint, type blueprint into the comments. I'll get you the information right away.